Asus will officially unveil the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate on September 19, and according to past rumors, this will be joined by the ROG Phone 6D. The brand has already confirmed that the Ultimate will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC. And today it's amping up the teasing by revealing that the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate will also have an unprecedented cooling system, which allows airflow unlike any ROG phone before. The ROG Phone 6D also likely to sport a MediaTek chipset of some sort, perhaps the same Dimensity 9000 Plus, maybe the non-plus version of that. We will see, but we are basing all of this on the assumption that the D in the name standards for Dimensity. Based on the looks we saw in a leak of both models' renders, we can probably also safely assume that the ROG Phone 6D is best thought of as the Dimensity version of the ROG Phone 6, while the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate would be the Dimensity-powered correspondent to the ROG Phone 6 Pro. All will be officially unveiled in just over 2 weeks, but in the meantime, Asus may release some new teasers and we will share them with you as they come. Asus launched the ROG Phone 6 series back in July, and the Pro phone quickly took the Antutu crown by the end of the month. Now another version appeared online with slightly better benchmark results, and reports are the new device will be called ROG Phone 6D, powered by a Dimensity 9000 Plus. The score of 1.15 million for the phone with model number Asus A12203D may be unofficial and an outlier on Antutu terms, but it is still 2 to 3% more than very same ROG Phone 6 Pro powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. More importantly, the CPU scored over 290,000, which is about 15% better than any Qualcomm chipset ever recorded. The total score is a sum of 4 key components: CPU, GPU, memory, and user interface and experience. Asus is still staying silent on any new ROG phone launches, but we expect the 6D to arrive soon, as the device was already certified at 3C with 65-watt fast charging.